Some I have seen trying to seek public sympathy. But ordinarily in Parliament, there is usually a review mid-term whether committees are functioning properly and whether indeed the leadership of those committees is also serving the greater interest of the country. When the time comes towards mid of the term, we will review as leadership together with the membership of the House. There are members you've realized who were placed in committees. In 2 years, I have seen members who've only attended 2 or 3 committee meetings, and that tells you that member may not be interested in that particular committee. Therefore, we find an opportunity at the right time to be able to ask that member, you seem not to be attending these committees, maybe I'm not interested in this sector, I have an interest in this sector, and you move them. And that's something the whips do. It's not even up to me to do that. It's the work of both the majority and the minority whips. Jubilee Party also is a parliamentary party that has its own whip. So they will review whether members are placed in committees where they have interest, where they give value to the nation and also give value to themselves as members of parliament. The same for the 2 coalitions. We also look at the leadership of particular committees. There are chairs of committee who do not even attend committee meetings. And therefore, you may need to have an engagement with those chairs, whether they are really serving the interest of those committees and the interest of the House. So it's normal review.